As every mother, I think that my two biggest accomplishments are my children. I happen to have two very wonderful children that have grown to be wonderful people. I tell my family all the time that a person's worth is not measured by what they do, but who they are inside, how they treat their fellow man. And I think that I have somehow gotten that right with my two children. On the professional side, I think that I've had some accomplishments as well. I started this practice in 2005 to now, and we've grown. We've grown steadily through, at this point, have at least at the last count, at least 6,000 charts, 6,000 women that have been entrusted to me for their health care. And I think that's a huge accomplishment. I do not take that lightly. I figure it's a trust and an empowerment that's been given to me to be able to help women with their lives, offer them guidance and counseling and just a shoulder sometimes just to lean on. And I've also had other professional accomplishments that I'm particularly proud of. From 2006 to 2010 was the Vice Chief of Staff at DeKalb Medical Hillendale, and from 2010 to 2012 was the Chief of Staff at DeKalb Medical Hillendale. And you may not know what that means, but the Chief of Staff is the head physician, so to speak, at the hospital. I'm responsible for helping set policies that the other physicians follow. I'm also responsible for helping to maintain the quality of patient care at the hospital. So that to me was also a very big accomplishment. In terms of why patients should choose this facility or this practice, we have a lot of things that sets us apart from your everyday OBGYN practice. We have great quality staff. I tell my staff that they all should be an extension of the vision. Our motto is delivering comprehensive health care to women to help them look and feel their best, and also using quality, compassion health care as well as part of that vision. And so based on that vision, my staff all buy in to the fact that every woman, when they come in, should have that experience of receiving quality health care with courtesy and compassion. I embrace technology as I think another big strength of this practice and of myself as a physician. When you come in, you can expect to see some of the latest equipment, tablets, PCs in each room, electronic medical records. We have patient portals where you can interact with our practice and physician at home from the comfort of your own couch. We also have other technology features such as the equipment in the office. If you're here for aesthetic services, we have some of the finest, most up-to-date aesthetics procedures and equipment that any office could have. We also have very knowledgeable staff. I think most physician offices will have that as well, but our main thrust is really the patient experience, that when you come to Premier Women's Healthcare, it's not just the healthcare aspect of it or just the technology aspect, but it's the overall patient experience that I think sets us apart from other practices.